Okay, so here in front of me, I've got an American police motorcycle in a 1/64 scale. There are two versions. You have the black version and the white version, and I choose for the black version. Comes with a figure, Moreart, also known as a Time Micro, and it's also known for a couple of other brands that are coming from the same factory. Really good diecast brand, and also very good when it comes to diorama accessories, figures, motorcycles, buildings, etc. So normally it comes in a tin can, but now it is made out of a paper box, but still very good packaging. You have some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Gathering more art to share together. Okay, let's open this. First, by the other tin can models, it was a piece of paper which says do not press, do not touch. So don't do this. It can damage the model. Very well protected with foam. Oh, cool. The helmet is loose from the figure. And it's a redhead, just like me. Okay, so first we're going to take a look at the motorcycle. I see a loose piece over there. Not sure if you can see it, but it's right over there. So it could be that it is from the motorcycle. And it is very likely that it comes here from the back, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, what is the green thing right here? Well, it comes most of the time in every box, and that's very handy for the figure. Okay, motorcycle looks really nice. Here the horn for the sound. Wheels are not rolling. Can't move the steer. That is not possible. But I think the details are really good. Exhaust. And is this a gun here in the back, or is it an antenna? Would be cool if it is a shotgun, but I don't think it is. Okay, let's take a look at the figure. Let's put this one here. It will stand by itself. So that's a good thing. So here we got the police officer. And it got eyes. Painted eyes. I think it's really well painted. Got a gun. And it needs a helmet, and the helmet is right here. Kind of cool that you can take the helmet off. It was better that they put the helmet on, not loose. Doesn't make sense to me. Zoom in. Let's do it like this. Yeah. Figure, it is okay. Nothing wrong with it, but I'm definitely going to glue the helm here on the officer. And I thought that he was wearing sunglasses. Let's have a look at the picture. Nope, picture is also without sunglasses. Would be cool if he had some sunglasses. And this loose piece, I think it's from the back of the motorcycle. Ah, I see it. the antenna is a little bit longer. So a piece of the antenna broke off. I can fix that. That's an easy fix, but I think I'm not going to do it. It also looks pretty... Whoa! Whoa! No, nothing is broken. I think it also looks good like this. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this beautiful 164 motorcycle from the brand Moreart. Please don't forget a thumbs up. You really help me with that. See you later. Bye.